In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text when you hover over an image in Wix. Whether you're building a professional portfolio, an online store, or a personal blog, adding text that appears when hovering over an image is a fantastic way to make your website more engaging and interactive. This feature is perfect for sharing additional information, creating call to actions, or simply enhancing the user experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to implement this feature step by step using Wix's easy-to-use tools. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor. This is the main workspace where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look for the plus icon on the left-hand toolbar. This is your gateway to all the elements you can add to your site. Go ahead and click on it to open the Elements menu. Now hover over the Image section in the menu. Here you can either upload your own image or choose one from the Wix image library. If you're using your own image, make sure it's high quality and fits the theme of your website. Alternatively, the Wix library offers a wide selection of professional images that can complement your design. Once you've selected your image, adjust its size to fit your website layout. You can do this by clicking and dragging the corners of the image. Take your time, this step is crucial for ensuring your site looks polished and professional. Next, you'll need to click on the plus icon again to bring up the Elements menu. This time, hover over the box category and select Hover Boxes. Hover Boxes are special design elements in Wix that allow you to create interactive features on your site. You'll see a variety of hoverbox templates to choose from. Pick one that fits your website's style and overall design. At this point, the hoverbox will come with a pre-existing image, but don't worry, we're going to change that. Simply delete the pre-existing image by selecting it and pressing delete. Now take the image you uploaded earlier and drag it into the empty hoverbox. Once it's in place, you've set the foundation for the hover effect. To enable the hover feature, click on the hover option that appears in the hoverbox settings. This step is essential for activating the mouse hover actions. Then click on Add to Hover to ensure your image becomes part of the hover functionality. Now, it's time to add some text. Go back to the Elements menu and hover over the text category. Browse through the available text styles and select one that complements your image and the overall theme of your website. When choosing a text style, consider the readability and how well it matches your design. Once you've made your choice, click on Edit Text to customize it. Here's where you can get creative. Personalize the text to align with your message or the information you want to convey. Whether it's a short description, a call to action, or a fun fact about the image, make sure the text is clear and engaging. You can also adjust the font size, color, and alignment to ensure it looks just right. When you're happy with your text, click on Preview in the top right corner of the editor. This allows you to interact with your site as if you were a visitor. Hover over the image to see how the text appears. Take a moment to check if everything looks and feels the way you want it to. If you notice anything that needs tweaking, go back to the editor and make the necessary adjustments. This could be something as simple as resizing the text box or fine-tuning the font color for better contrast. Once you're satisfied, you're ready to publish your website with your new hover effect. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.